Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a very exciting video. So this is it right here, and I literally cannot wait to open it, but it happened so weird. There was a package and we didn't know what it was, and then my dad told me, he was like, can you please open it? I was like, why would he ask me to open his package? Oh my goodness!
What?
I knew it! I knew it!
You knew what? Why you just ruin a mess?
Oh my gosh!
What?
I'm not trying to like brag or show off anything in this video. This is for like entertainment purposes, and I'm not trying to like brag or anything. I do a lot of like design stuff, graphic design for my YouTube channel, for a bunch of other things that I do for other people, and I've been using like an iPad Pro from like 3 or 4 years ago, and we decided it was time for an upgrade, so we upgraded to this iPad Pro. It's the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, so it's like the newest one that came out in March, I believe. 256 gigabyte, and I'm just gonna stop talking now and let's actually open it because I cannot wait. Okay, look at that. It's like ASMR. That's also another reason why I wanted to unbox it in front of you guys, because it's just so satisfying. Something about Apple packages. It could literally be the wired headphones, and I would love to open that. We're not even to the best part yet, so I just took off the plastic, and it's at its finest. I'm gonna open it up now. It's kind of hard. Have you seen those like memes where like people open their iPhones and like it breaks? That's what I'm scared of.
Jack.
Whoa!
It's kind of... Okay, this is literally the best part of any unboxing video. Oh, I can't, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. I'm shaking it. I want to open it. I don't know.
Look at my new jacket.
Nice. Okay, I don't want to drop this. But the most satisfying part. Oh my gosh, this is it. And we got it in the whatever color this is. I forgot, but I think it's space gray and silver. I don't know, but it's the darker one there. It came with two, and I just chose the darker one. I'm gonna have a case on it anyway, so you won't really be able to see the color. I'm not a tech expert at all. I literally just wanted to open this. I don't know what I'm supposed to like talk about it, but you can see it has the two. It literally feels like paper. Like, can you see how thin that is? It is like super thin. Like, it's thinner than my finger. It's probably thinner than my pinky, and it just feels so lightweight. I love how smooth the back feels. It kind of feels like the iPhone 11, just a lot thinner and obviously a lot bigger. The screen space, I love how like the width in the screen is like, you can tell it's like really small. You get a lot of screen space, which I really like. I don't have the case yet, and the Apple Pencil we're going to order soon. Okay, so we have a bunch of the basic Apple stuff. Ooh. It comes with a charger. One thing I'm kind of annoyed about it is like the chargers are different. We have this charger like in here, and we're gonna activate the iPad Pro now. So it's just powering on right now. Okay, now it says hello. So now I'm gonna set up the iPad with the help of my dad, because I don't think you really guys like care about me actually setting it up and stuff. Hey everyone, so it's a few days later. I've been using the iPad Pro for a little bit less than a week maybe. I don't really know. And I've been using my dad's Apple Pencil because he has the iPad Pro 2018, so I've been using his. But the new one finally came in, so I'm gonna unbox it really quickly for you guys. Oh, okay. That was kind of... The box feels like so nice and smooth, and got the box inside. So if you didn't know, this actually like connects magnetically to the iPad. Oh, there it is. And my other Apple Pencil, this one, the reason it has this thing is because you have to plug it in the back, so it's just like an iPad and then this thing. And it was really annoying, so that was like the #1 thing I was excited for, is the Apple Pencil. You could just like draw, put it on the top. It's magnetic, it's super easy. But this is a brand new one. feels so smooth and really nice. So I'm gonna hook it up to my iPad. At the end of this video, which right after this clip, I'm gonna let you guys know how it's been using my iPad, the things I've been using and things like that, and just showing you guys an overview, if it's worth it, if it's been good. Hello everyone, so I just wanted to come on here again and update you guys on how the iPad has like really been. I've had it for a little over a week, I think, and I just wanted to do my final thoughts and my reviews on it after I've had it for about a week. Okay, so no joke, I literally just brought a basket and a bunch of books to my bed just so I could film here and be comfortable. So here I have the iPad, and I didn't get to unbox the case because when I woke up I was already on. It's okay though, I don't think you'd find opening a case and putting it on that interesting. I have this case. So far I love it so much, and I've only had it for a day. It's not too flimsy, but I also wanted something a little bit more flexible because one thing I loved about this iPad after using it for a few days is I loved how thin it was and how easy it was. It was literally just like a paper and like really easy to just carry around and just get the Apple Pencil and start writing on it. Sorry, I have really bad allergies. So yes, I really love this case. Like I said, it's not too flimsy. It's perfectly durable. I'm gonna link this exact case in the description so you guys can go check it out for yourself if you're interested. It was really hard finding cases. So into the iPad now. I honestly loved it. I don't think I have anything really negative to say about it. Maybe it's because it's such a big upgrade from my old one that I don't see like the differences between this one and the 2018 one. So far, I love it. I love how big this screen is, and even though the iPad itself is smaller than the other one I had, the screen is bigger, which is kind of crazy. Face ID, everything is really easy and really simple to use. One of my favorite things I think is the Apple Pencil and how easy and magnetic it is to just connect to it, because before with the other iPad where you have to plug it in here, I strongly dislike having to put it in here when I wanted to charge it, and it was like so hard. It just wasn't practical. So one thing I was really looking forward to this one is just like being able to charge it and just store it right there magnetically. This Apple Pencil works amazing. There's so many cool features you can do with it. As for the iPad itself, I love it. I probably already said that like a million times, but it's just, I use it every single day. It's so practical, and I'm gonna make a video very soon, like a what's on my iPad and practical apps for your iPad. So I don't want to share too much about it, but definitely one of my favorites that I love using is GoodNotes and Procreate. That's like the main two apps I use. This is definitely something I recommend for a student, a graphic designer, really anything. Even if you're not any of those things and you just want to have an iPad for fun, it's really fun and very practical. The camera is really good. I'm probably not going to use it that much just because I already have like cameras in my phone, but the camera is pretty useful because my old iPad, the camera quality was terrible. And I also really like how whenever you're taking a video, you can zoom out, so it's like the 0.5. Like I said, I probably won't be using that much, but if you want an iPad with decent and pretty good camera quality, this is the iPad for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun getting the iPad, obviously, and I just am in love with this iPad. It's amazing. You can do so many things, and if you guys have any questions in the comments, please let me know. I would love to answer as many as I can, and if you've made it this far, I would appreciate it so much if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me, and give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or if you also enjoyed it. So yeah, that's all I have to say, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. For me in your room, and I was like, why would he? This is behind the scenes of filming.